How to find someone you played with on Roblox. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Roblox. Enter your login credential, as in your username and the password, and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. First thing you should know that there is no any direct option or the feature where you are able to find someone you have played on Roblox. But still, there is an alternative way to do it. So what you want to do is, first of all, head over to your Chrome history. In here, you'll find the option where it says Discover Roblox. It will show you all the list of the history that you have made on Roblox. You might also find a profile of the person that you have played with. So the next step is, somehow if you remember their username, you can simply search it in the search bar. And if you happen to find them, then simply head over to their profile. The option of add friend on their profile will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it and send them the friend request. And if they accept the request, you will be able to play with them again and again. Now the next step is to head over to the server that you play. Well, the person might be playing in some other servers. You can move into any of the server and search for them. If you find it, then it's good for you. You can add them and play with them. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can find someone that you have played with on Roblox. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.